Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're eating sushi and sea grapes.
Yeah, it's been a while. We've been on vacation.
Yeah,
but now we're finally back, right?
I'm so sorry that we didn't upload another video. But now today we uploaded a video.
Yeah, so what are you so excited about to eat?
The sea grapes. I never tried these before.
And where did you hear of this?
On like YouTube and TikTok.
Oh. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's dig in. Mmm.
Okay. They're kind of like fish eggs.
Yeah, they're like those little orange fish eggs, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you bite into them, they pop.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. So what kind of sushi did you get?
Like the same sushi as you, but I don't have any avocados.
Mmm.
But the sea grapes, not bad, not bad.
Mm-hmm. I like the sea grapes. What if you put it on top of a sushi?
I'm gonna try that.
That way you get the crunchiness and the sushi. Mmm. That's really good too. So is this your first time eating sea grapes? Yeah? Do you like it a lot?
So like when you put it with the sushi, it's not salty.
Mm-hmm. Would you recommend it for other people to eat it?
It's very crunchy.
So why are these called sea grapes? Do you know?
Because they're grapes and they come from the sea.
I don't know.
Probably because they're called sea grapes.
Mmm. Did you get any of this sauce on yours too? It makes it yummy. Did you want to try one? Mmm. Right? Do you like sushi like this?
My secrets have a little bit of sauce on it.
Mm-hmm. There's a little bit of saltiness to it. But without the saltiness, it'll taste like nothing.
It has rice on it.
Mmm. That just tastes so yummy.
I want some of this sauce too.
You want some of the sauce too?
Yeah.
Producer, can we get some more sauce?
It looks like we got the sauce back.
Yeah. This is Christian's favorite sauce.
Yeah.
So what does your sauce taste like?
It tastes like really sweet.
Really sweet?
Yeah.
It is known as eel sauce. Pekikumen.
Oh, that's what it was. Oh.
Mmm. Mmm.
Wait, how do these taste with sauce? Oh.
Mmm.
You're almost finished already?
Yeah, because you ate with me. You took some of mine, remember?
Oh.
Mmm, yeah. Mmm. It's so crunchy. Yeah, I like it when you put it with cold water.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Why? Just like eel sauce.
You try and make your whole sushi sweet, eh?
Yeah.
I'm so full now. Can you finish my sea grapes?
They're too salty.
It's too salty. But didn't you prepare it?
I did prepare it.
So what did you do to prepare it?
So we put it in cold water if we want it crunchier. We put in regular water if we don't want it crunchier.
Do you like it crunchy or do you like it not crunchy?
I like it crunchy.
Yeah, me too. Is your sushi crunchy? Do you like fresh vegetables? Using chopsticks starts to give you carpal tunnel.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, if you can catch a fly with your chopsticks, I'll give you money.
Man who catch fly with chopstick accomplish anything.
Hey, Mr. Miyagi, look!
Missed. Ah. Like I poop his eyeballs. Oh man, is that yummy? Is that fulfilling? Are you full now? Almost. Hey, I want to see if you can put all those sea grapes in your mouth and eat it in one bite. I think you can.
That is it for this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.